Hi everyone, let's hoop it together with my Mighty Hoops, and today I'm going to show you how I will do multiple hoopings on my station with my 5.5 fixture in freestyle, and I'm going to be doing left chest hooping. So let's go down here and I will show you. So let's get everything right over here for you. So I've got 3 black t-shirts and I'm going to be doing extra larges. I always do like to measure my first one first, but I am going to be using the placement sheet from the Hoopmaster website. And you get that at 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗.com, and it is on their site. So extra large says for men's, it's going to be D or E, and that is a collar, and I will show you that. And it is on hole 20, and I'll also show you that. But what I first like to do is fold my shirt in half. And the reason I do this is because every brand is different, and I just want to double check the placement on the what this the website says. So I fold it in half and I go halfway across. So I'm going to grab my oops, sorry about that, I dropped my ruler. So I'm going to measure halfway across, and it was 10 inches. So I'm going to go at the 5-inch mark here. And then I usually go 7 to 9 inches down for men's, and I did test this out. So to get that 20 measurement in the hole right up here, it is at the 7. I typically, for men's extra larges, I go to the 9, but it is at the 7, so I put my marker at the 7. So that's just some information for you, so you can see what you typically like to do. So the next thing you're going to do, this is the station, and this is the 5.5 fixture in freestyle. And so these numbers right here are where you're going to put, this is the little hole right here, and I'm going to line it up with number 20. So I'm going to put that in number 20, and now I'm all set up. And then these are the collars for the A, B, C that's on the sheet that we got from the Hoopmaster website. So I'm going for D or E 20. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my bottom hoop down, writing down plain side up, and I'm just going to put that in. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to put my stabilizer in. And these are little magnetic clips also. So that's there. And then now my shirt's going to go on. So it's just a couple of minutes set up on the first one, but you'll see after the first one how quick and easy this is. And especially with extra large, when I slide it on, I'm going to kind of cuff it, just so that the length won't be just kind of, jammed up down at the bottom. So, and I'm just kind of wanting to kind of target this little target sticker here in the middle, and that the sheet here said D or E, so I'm looking to get my collar somewhere between D and E, see where it falls. Want my shoulders nice and even, and this shirt just is fighting to be uneven, so I really want to make sure that my shoulders are even. I want this target sticker to be in this little routed edge right here. I want it to be in the center, and this is just, like I said, just the first one. So it is in the center, and then I'm going to lay my hoop right here, and I am hooped. So when I pull it up, I am good. I'm going to take my target sticker off, and I'm ready to go. So this is my first one. So now my second one, I've done all the work. My shirts are the same. So, and my other 5.5 hoops are older, so you'll have to pardon me that they're the white hoops. Everybody else should probably have the blue ones. So I just have to drop in my bottom hoop. Then I can put in my stabilizer. And you can see now how much quicker. This is just going to take a minute. I don't need the target sticker. I don't need to worry about anything else. I'm going to slide on my shirt. I'm going to cuff it again. I just want to make sure my shoulders are straight. I'm going to get it back up to between D and E like I had it before. I just want to make sure that my shoulders are even and straight at the top. And I'm hooped. So that's number 2. Now number 3, grab my third hoop. Bottom hoop with the writing down. Another piece of stabilizer. And just as many 5-point hoops as you have, you can just keep going like this all day long. If I was having a machine set up, I could have one of those in the machine stitching while I'm hooping. And as your logo gets stitched and come out, you can have this rotation of bagging, tagging, trimming your stabilizer. And, you know, your machine is your money, your stitching time. And so you can keep your hooping going incredibly fast. So I'm right there at between D and E. This is a super important part, making sure these shoulders are nice and straight. And my warning sign is up and I'm hooped. So now I'm all ready to go. So that's it. So that is how I do with when I have multiple 5.5 hoops and I just keep going. So message me, I can set you up with the station, the 5.5 fixture and freestyle, and the 5.5 hoop. And the best way to get it is in the starter kit.